Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with a pre-market analysis for today, the 21st of January 2014. You're watching the 240-minute chart. Before we go into the 3-day chart and the daily chart, I just want to show you this bullish flag, or obviously a higher low involved, or P formation, however you want to call this particular bullish momentum that we see. It's a strong consolidation that it shows the possibility that the price can push towards this minor resistance, which is one of the main targets for this particular movement towards, in order to reach the higher target, which is the historical highs, which are located in 1242. 1022 with 99 could be the first target of this particular situation that we see so far, consolidating, very powerful, and with the possibilities that this particular momentum can pick up some of the operators and some of the volume, and we might start seeing an increased volume in that sense. So we have to make sure that this particular pattern follows the situation that we see on the daily chart, and so is on the 3-day chart. Now back into what it concerns us right now. We start from the 3-day chart towards daily, 4 hours and 60 minutes. Here is the 3-day chart. We still have the higher low active with the entry in 800 and 956.06, and we still see right now traders inside, possibilities that new participants are coming toward this particular target. 956 is something that it might consider once again new entry for people. They're trying to push the price, and also big volume should start coming in. However, it is important to understand that each candlestick is 3 days market, so we might see a little bit of more situations of consolidation, because don't forget, this situation here is a very strong major resistance, and the market itself is trying to absorb all these sellers on this left hand side, obviously in order to take full control of the price. I'm talking about the buyers, and then push the price towards this main first target, just to see the signals, or send the signals, in order to try to reach the historical highs. The most important thing is, if this particular pattern develops and gets more active than right now, the next target should be definitely 1093. We'll see a reaction from the market itself probably, and after that, then the penetration of the bodies for this particular left hand side could be more a little bit of more consistent than the previous push or the previous uptrend. And why not 1242 could be the target for this particular pattern. This is the 3-day chart, very powerful chart. And now this is the daily chart that we experienced yesterday, with uncertainty and not very good decisions at that point. Look at this doji candlestick. This situation was basically very uncertain yesterday. Buyers trying to take control, sellers doing the same. They went back and forth, not much action in that sense, apart from the new highs compared to the previous highs that the candlestick yesterday managed to generate. Right now we'll see a new momentum happening. We'll see these SMAs of 10 and 20 right now they're crossing each other, and it's possible that a new trend is coming along. So we need to pay attention to that one. Now back into 240 minutes. As I said before, we have a very strong consolidation. This higher low is still active, maybe a second higher low coming in this way after a push and after an uptrend that he managed to deny in this particular retracement. We'll still see potential on this particular situation, and why not? New entry could be in between 967 and 973. We're gonna keep an eye on it to make sure that we give you guys a very good advice in that sense through our Twitter account. And last but not least, very erratic 60-minute chart. Too many tails, same as bottom tails and top tails. There is hard to read. There is no consistency, or at least no dynamic in this particular chart. So make sure that you can read what is available right now, technically speaking. And last but not least, as you can see, the prices over the SMA 200. We still got potential, maybe a new push up, managed to create a new uptrend, and why not, next higher low can push the price once again towards new levels. Last but not least, a retracement or potential correction has to go below the SMA 200, and maybe a next lower high can push the price towards this particular bottom, this particular support. We keep an eye on it. Thank you for watching. I'm Lucano. This is Mundobitcoin. Goodbye.